let's do this one last time. My name is Jeremy B. To. I was born in Malaysia, and 10 years ago, I was bitten by the proverbial travel bug. And ever since then, I've been traveling all over the world looking for the cure. Last year, in 2018, my buddy Tam and I hatched an ambitious plan to drive Malaysia's first national car cross-country into Vietnam. This was going to be an epic road trip. We were going to show everyone that the Proton Saga Malaysian-made car was just as durable as the Toyota Hilux by completing this 2,600 kilometers journey to Hoi An. But unfortunately, sometimes reality can turn out quite differently from what you've originally planned. In our case, the Proton Saga kept breaking down. And then I had a little accident on my boosted board. And the big beautiful sunny beach paradise in Thailand didn't turn out quite that sunny at all. But no matter what happened, we never gave up and we kept moving forward. When we arrived in Bangkok, we found out from the Cambodian embassy that we needed a permit to get our Proton across the border. Unfortunately, this was as far as we could take the little Proton. Despite all our setbacks, we just didn't want to give up now. So we decided to fly into Vietnam without our little Proton, and this is our 24-hour stopover at Siem Reap. Siem Reap is located just north of Peninsular Malaysia, and this Cambodian city brings in a lot of tourists each year. And that's because of Angkor Wat, a massive stone temple complex built in the 12th century during the height of the Khmer Empire. Having only seen it in movies, we were excited to finally see it for ourselves.
We have arrived in Siem Reap.
It was raining 2 seconds ago and now the sun is out. So we've only got 2 days or 24 hours or so. Heading out to get my flip-flops and then we're off to Angkor Wat to see the sunset. So we are sort of thinking of our Proton back in Bangkok. Yeah, we do miss the car. But
yeah,
then
we do.
But then we did look at the condition of the road here. It doesn't look quite pristine.
Nah, it's fine. If this tuk-tuk can survive these roads, our Proton, no problem. No problem at all. Maybe after that we need to change both axles.
That's right. No problem now until we hit something huge, and then there will be like huge problem.
Yeah, but look at all the other vehicles on the road.
Yeah.
I think our Proton will fit right in.
If you're a drone enthusiast like we are, there's something about Angkor Wat that you should know. Unfortunately, we found out about this the hard way.
Okay, hold on. Let me turn it off.
So now you know why we didn't get any aerial shots for Angkor Wat, but we did get these awesome time-lapse. Sunset is down, and we are heading back to grab some dinner, mate.
Yeah, it was a little bit cloudy, but I can imagine how beautiful the sunset would be.
Yes.
But it was still rather quite beautiful, I'd say. I wish there was a bit more wind, you know, then our time-lapse video would have been nicer.
Yeah. The Angkor Archaeological Park stretches over 400 square kilometers. And that's slightly over half the size of Singapore Island. So if you want to see all the ancient temples and learn about all its history, you best get yourself a guide. And it was a good thing we did.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm your
Jeremy.
tour guide. Yeah, I'm Dada.
Dara.
Yes, I'm
Dada.
the tour guide for today.
Oh, very good. Thank you.
I just want to have something to confirm because some place
Yeah,
you have
yeah.
to wear clothes properly, like
Okay.
cover the shoulder.
Oh, cover the shoulder.
Yeah, if you have
Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you. We'll go
t-shirt
back up.
which is covered by the soldier like him,
This is
better.
okay, yeah?
Then this is
Yeah,
okay.
I'm not okay.
Now that I'm properly dressed, we're off to see the sunrise at Angkor Wat.
So we're at the Bakan.
Don't know.
We've been awake since 4 a.m. Tam's extremely exhausted. So am I. This is our last temple. This is the Tomb Raider temple.
Now temple hopping at Angkor can get quite hot and tiring real fast. So we hired a car for our tour. And on a hot day like this, we're glad we've got AC in the car. This is Horn, our driver. He comes highly recommended. Check out his details in the description below. After a relaxing afternoon at the hotel, we ventured off into Pub Street for some food. Tam wanted to try the happiest pizza on earth, and so we did. So after having the happiest pizza on earth, we were both feeling a bit adventurous.
So it's a Friday night in Siem Reap and we're gonna try some spiders or scorpions. Not sure what it is first. So
You do the spider, I will do the scorpion.
I want the scorpion.
I don't want to do the spider. It's
Ah!
disgusting. There's something else. You have the cockroach.
Alright.
I don't know. We'll see what our
okay.
options are. It's alive! Really? Scorpion? I'll eat one bite. One bite.
If you like it, you can finish it.
No poisonous? If I die tonight from eating this scorpion, she sold it to me.
Eat the whole thing, dude! Muffin!
Gonna try? So the flavor is actually quite tasty. The thought of eating it is not.
on, man!
Hey, man. Do it. Do it.
Do it?
Do it. Do it.
How about you? I'll give you 10 bucks.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it if you do it. Do it. Is that a spider? Oh, he did the whole thing! You're gonna do it? No way! What? He finished it! I think we should do some more. Oh! Step back, people! Step back!
I don't feel so good.
You want to do it? How does it taste? Chocolate? What? Sweet, spicy. I'm gonna do savory. Savory. None this.
So this is us after the spider and scorpion quick challenge. We're having ice cream to wash the exotic taste of our taste buds. Thank you, Cambodia.
Next morning, we're off to Da Nang, and there was a bit of drama at the airport. Well, this is a good one for all travelers. If you happen to stumble upon a ticket that's so cheap, there is no details whatsoever on luggage, not even an option to add luggage online.
You see your luggage page not working.
Well, it probably doesn't come with luggage. Angkor Air was about to charge us excess luggage fees to take our bags on board. There was definitely some drama. But the crew was extremely polite and helpful, so they came up with an option that was slightly cheaper than full fare, and we even had preferred seats. Thank you, Angkor Air.
Goodbye, Siem Reap. Lovely 2 nights. A couple of dramas with the drone.
And the check-in.
And the check-in. Now we're off to Vietnam.
Finally boarding.
Finally boarding. I'll see you again.